Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our complete eyeglass repair kit.
The eyeglass repair kit is going to include 6-piece magnetic Phillips and flathead screwdriver set, 14 size of eyeglass screws, 1 curved tweezer, a flat and T-type washer, and screw caps for glasses repairs. The magnetic Phillips and flathead screwdriver set is going to include a variety of sizes to fit all your tiny screw needs. This toolkit can be used for eyeglasses, sunglasses, watches, clocks, and really any small electronic that utilizes small screws. The provided screws are going to be resistant to rust and great for eyeglasses. You can utilize the curved tweezer included in this kit to grip these tiny screws. The toolkit also comes with a keychain screwdriver, which is going to include a Phillips and flat tip screwdriver and a nut holder. This is going to be perfect for anybody on the go or any additional repairs you may need to make.